Imagine losing everything you have worked for overnight only to discover a mysterious letter that holds the key to not only saving your life but transforming it forever. What do you do? If the universe tested your honesty in the most unbelievable way. Ethan Gray, a 34 years old father of two, lived a simple yet hardworking life in the small town of Willow Creek. He ran a small repair shop known for fixing everything from broken clock to outdated radios. Despite his struggle to make ends meet, Ethan had one principle he never compromised on, that is honesty. One chilly November evening, just as Ethan was about to close up the shop, a stranger walked in. The man, dressed in a black trench coat and carrying an old leather briefcase, handed Ethan a dusty, vintage safe. "I need this repaired," the man said in a deep, commanding voice. "I'll pay you $1,000 upfront and $1,000 when it's fixed. But remember, under no circumstance should you open it. Do you understand?" Ethan, though puzzled, nodded. The man placed a crisp 1,000 bill on the counter, then vanished into the night as mysteriously as he had arrived. The safe was like nothing Ethan had ever seen before. Its intricate design and rusty dials hinted at something valuable locked inside. As the day passed, curiosity gnawed at him. He couldn't help but wonder what lay inside. Could it be a stack of cash, precious jewels, or secrets so dark they could change someone's life? One night, after hours of battling temptation, Ethan reached for his tools. His hands trembled as he hovered over the safe. Just as he was about to pry it open, his daughter Lily's voice called out from other room. "Dad, can you read me a bedtime story?" Ethan froze, realizing how close he had come to breaking his promise. He set down his tools, took a deep breath, and walked away from the safe. 2 weeks later, the man returned. Ethan handed over the repaired safe, and the man placed another $1,000 on the counter without a word. But as he turned to leave, he dropped a small envelope. "Sir, you dropped this," Ethan called out. Rushing to hand it back, the man paused, looked at Ethan, and smiled for the first time. "Keep it," he said before disappearing once again. Ethan hesitated, but eventually opened the envelope. Inside was a handwritten note that read, "Your honesty has been tested. Meet me at the Willow Creek Park tomorrow at noon." Ethan's heart raced as he arrived at the park. The man was waiting for him, but this time he was not alone. Beside him stood a well-dressed woman with a kind smile. "My name is Charles," the man said. "I am the executor of late billionaire's estate. This is the Emily, his daughter. My father's dying wish was to find someone who embodied true honesty and integrity. Over the past year, we have tested dozens of people, but you, Ethan, were the only one who passed." Ethan's jaw dropped. "Wait, what?" Emily stepped forward. "My father believed that wealth should be entrusted to those who deserve it. You did not open the safe and you returned the envelope without hesitation. That's the kind of person my father was searching for." Charles handed Ethan a folder. "This contains the deed to a fully occupied repair shop in the city, $500,000 in startup funds, and a lifetime scholarship for your children." Ethan was speechless. Tears welled up in his eyes as he thought about the struggles he had endured, the temptation he had resisted, and the small choice that had led to this life-changing moment. Sometimes the universe tests us in a way we don't understand, but our choices shape our destiny. Ethan's story is proof that honesty doesn't just change life, it creates miracles. Now, I leave you with this thought. What do you do if faced with a similar test? Would you choose to path of honesty? Think about it and let Ethan's story guide your choices. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more tales that remind us the extraordinary powers of simple virtues. See you in the next video. Bye.